Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learn. Today topic is how to install Terraform in Ubuntu Mission. I already created an instance with Ubuntu image. Let's try to connect to the instance. First we need to update the repository. Repository is updated successfully. Let's install the Terraform. Right. Here we can't install the Terraform because here we don't have any packages related to the Terraform. So for that first we need to add some dependent packages of the Terraform to this repository. So first we need to go to the Google and we can ask the Google like Terraform download. Click on the Terraform by HashiCorp. Open source. Click on the download. So here we'll find different kind of operating systems. Just click on the Linux. In Linux we have different kind of flavors, right? Like Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS, Amazon Linux. So we take in Ubuntu image, right? So this is a we need to take these commands to add these commands to the repository. We need to add these commands and we will update the repository. Just copy the commands, paste it here. Yeah, we at a time run the all the commands and now we'll check the Terraform is installed or not. I'm checking Terraform version here. Yeah, Terraform is installed successfully. This is the version of the Terraform. So this is how we will install the Terraform in Ubuntu Mission. I will keep the Terraform installation link in the description box. I hope you learned something from this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.